Hi friends. So today I'm going to show you guys some ways you can kind of just switch up your curly hair styles, because if you're anything like me, then you gravitate between the same like 2 or 3, maybe you have one hairstyle and it's like you want to wear your natural hair but you don't know what to do with it, and then you feel like every time you do it it looks the same and it looks just like it's not giving. So I'm going to show you guys today some ways you can switch it up so you can still rock your wash and go, rock the natural hair, the natural curls without it being boring. So if you want to figure out all the different styles that you can get into this year, then just keep watching.
Okay, so the first one we're going to start with is super simple and easy. And if I have a fresh wash and go, which this is a 3-day-old wash and go, I like to start with a style like this where I don't have to put a lot of gel in my hair and use the mousse, so it's still where I can work with my hair if I want to switch it up. But so we have just a little high puff, poof, ponytail, whatever you want to call it. And then if you want to elevate it, you can pull out your little bang antenna pieces in the front, put some mousse, water, gel, and just kind of twirl it around your finger. Bam. Okay. Now this next one is really easy. You just want to section off 2 pieces at the front of your head and braid them, and you don't have to braid it in this exact same way. You can leave it completely loose, but so I like to twirl the ends around and leave a cute little curl there. And then you have these 2 cute like braided antennas, and you can leave your hair down and make it a style like this. You could even put a rubber band or a bead or something on the end. But for a different look, you can add some clips and clip it behind your ear. And then to switch that up one more time, you can put it into a cute low ponytail. Again, I'm still using mousse so that I can still manipulate my hair a little bit later. You should talk to me all night, yeah. Gotta stay on track, don't you move. I raise some time for you. Now this style is like a headband, so keeping that same middle part in the front, I'm gonna finish sectioning it off and then just comb it out, add some gel and brush back these 2 front pieces, and then secure them with a little plastic rubber band. I guess I don't even say plastic, with a little rubber band at the nape of my neck, and you're not going to be able to see that because it'll be hidden. And then I'm just going to do a half up, half down, which I feel like turned out so cute. Now you have 2 options with this. You can leave it, the ponytail, just free like this, or you can add a claw clip in, just depending on the length of your hair. So just kind of, you know, manipulate this for your specific hair type, or you could even throw it in a bun up here if you want to. But the half up, half down with the bangs kind of gelled back, so cute. Like, hello, my favorite. You can wear your hair the same bangs with your hair completely down and like a braid out twist out wash and go, or you can pull it up into another high ponytail, and the little tail, I just clipped it up with a little clip in the back so that it's not hanging at the nape of my neck. And then you can convert this style one more time by making a cute little messy bun, or you can do a variety of different buns here. I like to keep mine pretty messy and then just manipulate it by pulling, tugging, and tucking to get it how I want. Now you can add some cute clips to the bang, even maybe some sparkly ones, some bobby pins. So really you can take any style and just keep switching it, keep elevating it. Right here we're gonna do the 2 high buns with the little antennas, which I think is so cute. And again, just pull it around until you get it how you want it. Okay, now that I'm looking crazy, you see the gel makes it where you can't manipulate it as much. So if you were doing like these different hairstyles throughout the week, this is the order that I would do them in. As my hair gets dirtier, as my wash and go gets older, these are styles that if your curls aren't looking as good, it keeps them tucked away, but you still look really cute. So I absolutely love the 2 buns, the space buns. I think it's just so cute. I love wearing my hair like this when I go to the gym, or even when I go to like the pool and stuff in the summertime. I think it's just so like fun and cute, and yeah, I think it still looks good on me even at my age. So I really like it. And the little bangs just add something extra to it. I think it's just such a cute way to elevate it and switch it up. But again, you can keep the bangs tucked back if you feel like the curls aren't giving what they need to give, and just do the 2 little buns. And what I love is they don't have to be perfect. They can be messy, and that makes it look a little bit better in my opinion. Now this is one of my quickest, easiest go-tos. Slick it back low, add a claw clip, and you can kind of twirl around your fingers little pieces that are sticking out to let the curls be out and messy. And you can also do that with the claw clip positioned higher up. So now I'm going to do just a low bun with the middle part. I like to twist the hair so that I can know that it's going to stay neat and not come like popping out, and use one of these small rubber bands to just secure it. And then if you want to switch it up, now this style personally was not the best on me in my opinion, but if your hair is a little bit longer, or if you want to add some hair to it, I think it's so cute to have like the little low braid. But I don't know if it's really giving on me and my hair length, but you know. Okay, so now we kind of switched the part up. I'm doing a side part, low, slick, and I'm gonna do a side bun. I think this is so cute. It just is like the elevated version of a bun, and I think this looks so good when you're like dressing up. To me, this looks like fancier. I don't know. That's just my opinion. So you can switch it from the side bun to just a middle bun, and switching your part really does change the way the whole entire bun looks. So switched it from a middle part to a side part with this clip, and then that is it. This is one of my favorite styles. I feel like I look so classy. So yeah, thanks for watching. Love y'all.
And watch me over until my will runs